My experience with the Recording Connection was a good one. I feel like it has everything to do with the mentor. I feel like I was paired with a mentor that really clicked with me as far as teaching style. I really liked the way he taught me, made everything easy to understand. And I feel like as a student, he liked the way I was answering questions, writing down notes. As far as the gig went, I really felt like I learned a lot. I learned a lot in the sense that it was the first time that I've seen a session being given to me, and I got a firsthand look at how a professional in the industry organizes their session and their template as far as auxiliary channels, stuff like that, how everything is organized by groups. That's something I really thought was a cool and smart thing to do. I'll definitely be implementing that in my workflow, and I'm looking forward to the future in my career in audio.